You know what the fuck it is. Number motherfucking Beto, huh? Yeah. King Mike and his bitch, yeah. Certified with this G shit. You know what the fuck it is. What's going on? Play no motherfucking game. Raw shit. I been a soldier, but my fucking hustle. Handling my business, you know this nigga got buku muscle. I never stop, I'm all about getting my cheddar fast. I handle business, you know I get that cutter, and then I get on your ass. I'm hustling harder than the rest of them. I'm really about handling my business, I'm a step or so. I get off in it when I know I gotta step in, bro. I'm a G.O.D., the streets love me, I'm a god to it. I don't give a fuck, never fraud to it, but I'm a hustler. You know that I'm never gonna be a customer, I step out. And when I step out, I pull a tech out. Oh, the AP9, I don't give a fuck, give me mine, I want it all. So me and my people go ball. Know what I'm saying? We gon' stand about 20 feet tall. Up in the air, flying like a jet. I don't give a fuck, you bitches gon' give me my respect. I'm at your neck. Man, you already know what the fuck it is. It's bag choke. You see what I'm saying? If you ain't talking about the bag, you ain't talking about nothing. I see a little soldier, I see a smirk, I see a Weezy, I see a kid. You know what I'm saying? What's up, Joy? You know what I'm talking about?
You already know the fuck it is. Something more shorty.
You know what I'm saying? Bill hitching this bitch. You know what I'm saying? That's how we coming. That's how we rocking. You know what I'm talking about? Ain't no stopping. You feel me? I ain't never been a hoe. Ain't never had too many friends. But I'm on all 10. Like a dog supposed to. Know what I'm saying? I keep that Glock in my holster. Pull it out if I got her. You know I'm a pop. Yeah, I ain't never been a hoe. Ain't never had too many friends. But I'm on all 10. Like a dog supposed to. Know what I'm saying? I keep that Glock in my holster. Pull it out if I got her. You know I'm a pop. Yeah, I'm certified to the street shit. When you think about the streets, you think of me, bitch. I'm really hustling hard to get this fucking money. I'm never gonna stop and I never was a fucking dummy. I'm a genius, and you know that we is the motherfucking wave. The new shit that's in your fucking ears, getting us paid. That's why your bitch wanna get laid from a certified general. I'm a nigga that don't give a fuck, hit you with a scope. I got a 30-30, yeah, that's my 30-30. And I love her to death, through us Paul, you heard me. She love me back, man, just like I'm Batman. But I'm a soul like Superman and put you in the can. I'm a hustler, smoking like a muffler. Nothing but bag talk, better get your muscle up. I'm a hustler, smoking like a muffler. Nothing but bag talk, better get your muscle up. I ain't never been a hoe, ain't never had too many friends. But I'm on all 10, like a dog supposed to. Know what I'm saying? I keep that Glock in my holster. Pull it out if I got her. You know I'm a pop, yeah, I ain't never been a hoe. Ain't never had too many friends. But I'm on all 10, like a dog supposed to. Know what I'm saying? I keep that Glock in my holster. Pull it out if I got her. You know I'm a pop, yeah.